Hello, let us solve one question from GATE 2021 Math Complex Analysis. The question is, let f of z is equal to u of xy plus I into v of xy for z is equal to x plus iy belongs to C, where x and y are real numbers, be a non-constant analytic function on the complex plane C. Let ux, vx and uy, vy denote the first order derivative of uxy is equal to real fz and vxy is equal to imaginary fz with respect to real variable x and y. Then g1z is equal to ux minus iuy and g2z is equal to vx plus ivy. Then option A, both g1 and g2 are analytic. Option B, g1 is analytic but g2 is not. Option C, g1 is not analytic and g2 is analytic. And option D, neither g1 nor g2 is analytic. Solution. Here f equal to u plus iv, non-constant and analytic. Then u and v are harmonic. This is u xx plus u y is equal to 0 and v xx plus v y is equal to 0. Now we have to check analyticity of g1z and g2z. For analyticity, we have to check the partial derivative with respect to x and y of real part and imaginary part exist and continuous. And condition 2 satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equation or not. And Cauchy-Riemann equation is del by del x of real fz is equal to del by del y of imaginary fz and del by del y of real fz is equal to minus del by del x of imaginary fz. Now g1z is equal to ux minus I uy. Since u is harmonic, so partial derivative with respect to x and y of ux and uy exist and also continuous. So we have to only check g1z satisfy CR equation or not. Now real g1z is equal to ux and imaginary g1z is equal to minus uy. Now del by del x of real part of g1z is equal to uxx and del by del y of real part of g1z is equal to uxy. Similarly, del by del x of imaginary part of g1z is equal to minus uyx and del by del y of imaginary part of g1z is equal to minus uyy. Now since u is harmonic, so uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. This implies that uxx is equal to minus uyy. This implies that del by del x of real g1z is equal to del by del y of imaginary g1z. So first condition is satisfied. Now we have to check second condition for CR equation. Now del by del y real g1z is equal to uxy and del by del x imaginary g1z is equal to minus uyx. Since uxy and uyx both are continuous and partial derivative are exist, so uxy is equal to uyx. This implies that minus of minus uyx. This implies that del by del x of del y of real part of g1z is equal to del by del x of minus into del by del x of imaginary part of g1z. So it satisfies also second condition. So it satisfies CR equation. Now g1z satisfy the two condition of analyticity. So g1z is analytic. Now Similarly, we have to check G2Z is equal to Vx plus I Vy. Again, only we have to check G2Z satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equation or not. If it satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equation, then it is analytic. If not, then it is not analytic. Now, real G2Z is equal to Vx and imaginary part of G2Z is equal to Vy. Now, del by del x of G2Z, real part of G2Z is equal to Vxx, and del by del y of imaginary part, real part of G2Z is equal to Vxy. Similarly, del by del x of imaginary part of G2Z is equal to Vyx, and del by del y of imaginary part of G2Z is equal to Vyy. Now we know that V is harmonic, so Vxx plus Vyy is equal to 0. This implies that Vxx is equal to minus Vyy. Here, del by del x of real part of G2Z not equal to del by del y of imaginary part of G2Z. So, it does not satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equation. This implies that G2Z is not analytic. So for this question, we get G1 is analytic and G2 is not analytic. So option A said that both G1 and G2 are analytic. This is not true. Option B said that G1 is analytic and G2 is not. So option B is correct. Option C, G1 is not analytic. This is not true. Option D, neither G1 nor G2 is analytic. This is also not true. So for this question, option B is our correct answer. Thank you.